Asian stock markets had a good year in 2024. Most major markets ended the year with gains. This strong performance was driven by favorable monetary policies. Interest rates were low across Asia. This encouraged borrowing and investment. However, experts predict more volatility in 2025. Two major factors will shape the market: Donald Trump's presidency and China's economic outlook. Taiwan's stock market was a star performer in 2024. The TAIEX index surged by 28.85%. This impressive growth was fueled by technology stocks. TSMC, a semiconductor giant, saw its stock price soar by 82%. Foxconn, a major Apple supplier, also experienced a significant increase of 78%. On the other hand, South Korea's stock market struggled. The Kospi index fell by 8.03%. This decline was attributed to political uncertainty and concerns about global trade. Taiwan's tech sector thrived in 2024. Demand for data centers, driven by the rise of artificial intelligence, boosted companies like TSMC. Looking ahead to 2025, the growth of AI-integrated products like smartphones and electronics is expected to continue. South Korea, heavily reliant on exports, faces challenges. The global economy is slowing. This will likely impact demand for South Korea's cars and electronics. China's stock market rebounded in 2024. The CSI 300 index rose by 14.64%. This recovery was driven by government stimulus measures. Donald Trump's policies are a concern for Asian markets. Trump's trade war with China continues. He favors tariffs on Chinese goods. These tariffs increase prices for consumers and businesses. This can hurt economic growth. Asian economies that rely on exports to the US are particularly vulnerable. South Korea and China are examples. Trump's unpredictable foreign policy also creates uncertainty. Section 5. China's economic puzzle: challenges and opportunities. China's economy is a major factor for Asian markets. The country is a global economic powerhouse. Its growth impacts its neighbors. However, China's economy is slowing. The trade war with the United States is partly to blame. There are also domestic challenges. China has a large amount of debt. Its property market is struggling. However, there are also opportunities. China's government is trying to boost domestic consumption. This could benefit companies that sell goods and services to Chinese consumers. Section 6. Navigating monetary policy divergence in Asia. Asian countries are taking different approaches to monetary policy. Some countries are cutting interest rates. They want to stimulate their economies. Others are keeping rates steady or even raising them. They are concerned about inflation. This divergence in policy creates both risks and opportunities for investors. It requires careful analysis of individual economies and currencies. Section 7. Expert opinions: deciphering the Asian market outlook. Experts have mixed opinions on the outlook for Asian markets. George Maris of Principal Asset Management believes China's commitment to sustainable growth is crucial. He sees opportunities in companies catering to Chinese consumers. Mike Xiao of Invesco notes that Asia has managed inflation well. This allows for continued monetary easing. Paul Kim of East Spring Investments warns of challenges to South Korea's exports. He cites the slowing global economy as a major concern. Section 8. Finding opportunities in a volatile landscape. Investors need to be cautious in 2025. Volatility is expected. However, there are potential opportunities. Domestic demand: invest in companies that sell goods and services within Asian countries. Growing populations and rising incomes in Asia create a large consumer market. Technology and innovation. The technology sector continues to evolve rapidly. Look for companies involved in areas like renewable energy and artificial intelligence. These sectors offer potential for long-term growth. Undervalued markets: market volatility can create opportunities to buy stocks that have become cheap. Look for companies with strong fundamentals that have been unfairly punished by the market.